So next, we'll see about the series diode configuration with DC input. So this is based, I mean, we are entering into the problem solving. So different problems will be given. You have to calculate basically the resistance or current across the diode or resistance across the different resistor. All these things you have to calculate. So either the diode can be connected in series manner or different diodes can be connected in parallel manner. That's why first we'll start with the series diode configuration with some DC input. Okay, just if this type of, let us look at the first figure. So just look at read the statement which is written. In general, a diode is on. Diode is in the on state if the direction of the current established by the applied source matches with that of the arrow in the diode symbol. Yes, that is very simple thing. That means basically this statement is saying if the diode looks like it is forward biased, then it will be on and it will allow the current to flow. Okay. Now the figure 2.10 which you are seeing. So if you observe, what will find out? The current will flow in this direction because this E is at a higher potential. Okay, so the current will start to flow from, it will try to flow in this direction. So that means what? The current direction matches with the direction of the PN junction diode. Okay, or in the other way, it is forward biased. That means it will allow the current to flow. Okay, so if it will allow the current to flow, then there will be a drop of 0.7 volt across the silicon diode. Already I have told you in a previous slide, I have told you if a diode is conducting, if a silicon diode is conducting, then it consumes 0.7 volt across it. And if it's germanium diode, then the voltage drop across it is 0.3 volt. So what you have to do? You can replace this diode by a voltage source whose value is equal to 0.7 volt. Look at this one. Why? Because now we want to do the calculation for to find out the other parameter. So we are assuming that this diode is a simplified character, simplified model. We are assuming. Okay, we are assuming that the diode is consuming 0.7 volt and it is conducting across it. Okay, so here it is written that 0. Okay. Now, if this E is greater than 0.7 volt, then only the conduction will start. If the applied voltage is less than 0.7 volt, will the current start to flow? No, it will not flow because the diode will not be still, it will not go to forward bias. Okay. Okay. One more thing, just note down that VT is the threshold voltage of the diode which is needed to switch on the diode, and VD is the voltage across the diode. That means VT is the minimum voltage required for the diode to be on, and VD is the actual voltage how much you have applied across it. Okay. We'll see one problem here. Okay. So in this question, what I can say, the diode is consuming 0.7 volt. So that's why I can replace this diode with a voltage source of 0.7 volt. Okay, that means this diode is reducing or consuming, dropping 0.7 volt across it. So if it is consuming 0.7 volt across it, how much is the VR? How much it will be? Already we have seen it several times in the previous examples. That you can find out using the KVL. Okay, if it is a small circuit, just by observation also you can say how much it is VR. Okay, if it's a large circuit, okay, so if it is confusing, you are not trying to get it, at that time you can use this KVL. So here, how much will be the VR?
E minus VD.
VT.
E minus VD. Yes, because if I'll apply KVL, then as for KVL, so I can say E minus VD minus VR equal to 0 implies VR equal to E minus VD. Okay. And why it is told as VD equal to VT? Because I told you we are assuming it's a simplified diode. Okay, simplified diode means the voltage across the diode will be equal to the threshold voltage. In the previous slide or in the previous problem, okay, this one. Okay, when you are calculating this one, what we are finding out at the Q point, how much was the VDQ? We are taking a approximate or simplified diode model. Okay, so how much you are getting VDQ? VDQ equal to 0.7 volt. Okay, so just remember, if it's a simplified diode, okay, then the voltage drop across it will be equal to the threshold voltage drop of that diode. Okay, so in the first phase, in a first example which we saw, that was graphically which we calculated VDQ, that was for a actual diode. So there we have found out that VDQ was not 0.7 volt. Okay, that was for an actual diode. But when we will do solve the problem, or if it is given simply for a silicon diode, calculate this thing. So there basically it is indicating that you take the approximate model or the simplified model. That means here it is simplified your work. You don't have to again calculate the VDQ and IDQ. You can directly take VDQ equal to, assume it is equal to 0.7 volt. Okay, or the whatever the threshold voltage of the diode, okay, that is being consumed by the diode. Okay. So here you are assuming that this diode is taking 0.7 volt. Okay, so if the diode is consuming 0.7 volt, the voltage available across the resistor equal to E minus VT or E minus 0.7 volt. Okay, so once you get that VR, you can easily find out how much is the I. Okay, so I will be equal to, or IR will be equal to VR by R, because I know if this current is given by IR, I can say VR equal to IR into R, or my IR equal to VR by R, that I can calculate. Now, if the diode is connected in the reverse manner, look at this figure. Now the diode is connected in reverse manner, but as according to my voltage connection, the current should flow in this direction, because this is at higher potential. Okay, so if the current will try to flow in this direction, whether the diode will allow it to flow across it?
No, sir. No,
No.
sir.
Or in simple words, the diode is now reverse biased, so it will also not allow the current to flow. Okay, so here it has given the steps. That means how you will know. You can either know directly see that it is forward bias or reverse bias. So if it is reverse bias, it will not conduct, or that means it is open circuited. You see here, it is open circuited. Okay, so if it is open circuited, current across that branch will be zero, or current across that loop will be zero. Okay, so if the current across this loop is zero, how much is VR?
0.
0, because I mean simply no current is flowing. So no current if it is flowing, then calculate VR equal to IR into R, or that is equal to ID into R. But diode current across diode is 0, so 0 into R, or it is equal to 0. Okay. Now how much will be the VD? Let us apply that KVL and calculate. Okay, so apply KVL here. E minus VD minus IR into R equal to 0 implies E minus PD minus IR कितना है 0 है क्योंकि ये ओपन सर्किटेड है ओके तो 0 into R equal to 0 और VD equal to E okay so when it is open circuited the total voltage is applied across this diode okay but since the diode is connected in reverse manner it is not applying allowing the current to flow okay we'll see some problems now the numericals has come for the series diode configuration determine VD VR ID you calculate the same example just the exact same example I mean we explained here without numericals we explained now just the values of E and R are given you have to calculate how much is VD and VR please calculate and tell me who have done please tell me your result anyone have done anyone completed or at least done some part
Sir, R equal to 2.2 kilo ohm या 20?
yes no 2.2 kilo 2.2 kilo yes Shubham I is 3.3 milliampere okay so first what you'll do you don't know anything to proceed write down a low okay so let us say this is my low okay see this I mean in this question this VD is already written like this but normally when the question will be given in this question this notations may not be given only the figure only the resistor voltage I8 silicon diode and 2.2 kilo ohm. This must may be written so you have to write this thing in the question. That means you are assuming, let us say voltage across this diode is VD and this side is plus and this side is minus. You are assuming. Similarly, you are assuming, let us say voltage across resistor is VR. Okay. Obviously, this upper side is at higher potential with respect to the lower side. So this side, I will take this is as plus and this is as minus. And I am assuming, let us say the current flowing across this branch is given by IR. Okay, so these are the notation which you will write. Okay. After writing, I'll write down this loop equation. What I'll write 8 minus VD minus
plus
yes no have plus minus VR okay equal to 0
minus
8 minus directly what I'll do VD के जगह 0.7 डाल दूंगा okay that means you remember if the diode is conducting or if it is in the on mode switch on mode then diode voltage across the diode is 0.7 okay if it is written as a for a silicon diode or nothing is given matlab that means you will also take it as a silicon diode okay if no what like for a ideal diode ऐसे नहीं लिखा है सिर्फ for this figure that means it is indicating a silicon diode okay sometimes it may be written as for a silicon diode or it may be for this figure that means you assume that it's a silicon diode okay So for that, you will consider the VD will be as 0.7 if the diode is conducting. If it is not conducting, then the voltage across the diode may be different, that we have to calculate. Okay. (0.7) minus VR. VR means IR into R. IR into R. 2.2K.
IR equal to 73/22.
We'll see that. Okay. So only unknown is IR. So you can calculate how much is IR. Only unknown is IR, that you can calculate. Okay. And what else is asked? Okay, so IR equal to this much, or that is also equal to whatever you calculate, or that is equal to ID. We can find out. Now it is also asking VR. Okay. So in that way also you can say, if you want to find out, once you get IR, then you can say
VR equal to 7.3, sir.
yes, VR directly you can get from the, if this equation 1, from equation 1 also directly you can get VR equal to 8 minus VT, or equal to 8 minus 0.7, okay, or it is equal to 7.3. That also you can say. Or if you have got the IR, then again you can multiply VR equal to IR into R, that also you can do, or 2.2 into 2.2K into whatever the IR value you have got, that also you can do. In every way you can do. All of you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, if you have any doubt, please ask. The same explanation is just done here. First of all, you directly write down VD equal to 0.7, because you observe that this is diode is forward bias condition, or it is conducting. So if it is conducting, then the voltage across the diode is 0.7. Directly you will say, right? But
The VD is given in question only, but
No,
we
no,
have
no.
to read more.
VD is also asked to determine VD. VD को भी पूछा है, लेकिन तुमको मैंने बोला ना कि तो here it is assuming that you are taking a approximate diode. So since it is taking approximate diode, that means VD, if it is on, its VD will be equal to 0.7. Okay.
So जर्मेनियम रहेगा तो
0.3 डालोगे.
अच्छा
If अगर वो क्वेश्चन में लिखा है फॉर द जर्मानियम डायोड, ये क्वेश्चन में VD VR ID निकालो, तो उसमें VD का वैल्यू 0.3 होगा. ओके. जैसे कि पहले क्वेश्चन में जो ग्राफिकली हम VD क्यों निकाल रहे थे ना, ओके, उसमें 0.7 नहीं, उसमें 0.78 या कुछ डिफरेंट वैल्यू आ रहा था. ओके. तो वो क्वेश्चन होगा तो वो कुछ ग्राफ दिया होगा, फिर पूछा होगा फॉर द एक्चुअल डायोड फाइंड आउट द VDQ. ओके. अगर वो सारे कुछ नहीं है, हमारा ग्राफिकल मेथड नहीं है, ये एक प्रॉब्लम में ऐसे दिया है, दैट मीन्स इट इज इंडिकेटिंग दैट फॉर दिस सिलिकॉन डायोड और फॉर दिस अप्रोक्सीमेट सिलिकॉन डायोड you have to calculate this PDQ and VR ID. So in that case directly you will put VD equal to 0.7. तुमको कुछ ग्राफ वगैरह कुछ नहीं करना है. Understood? Someone has asked something. Yes, 3.32, right. Then once you got VD, then easily your VR is equal to E minus VD. Okay, simply if you just observe this circuit diagram, then also you are finding out the voltage across this resistor is equal to applied voltage E minus the drop across diode, or that is equal to 8 minus 0.7, that you can get. Otherwise, going through the loop KVL equation also you can get the same thing. Okay, once you get VR, you can easily find out the current across this resistor IR by dividing its resistance, or your ID equal to IR equal to VR by R, that is equal to 7.3 volt by 2.2 kilo ohm, or equal to 3.32 milliampere. Okay. Look at this first. Read this sentence. Since the applied voltage establishes a current in the clockwise direction to match the arrow of the symbol, and the diode is on state. Okay, so for that, as I told you, if the diode is in on state, directly you can take Vt equal to 0.7. Okay. Second question. Just the diode is reversed. Here also you have to find out the Vd, the other thing, that is Vr and IR. All these things you will find out. First tell me, how much will be the Vd?
8.
8, sir.
Yes.
8.
Yes, 8. Okay. Okay. And how much will be Vr
0.
and IR?
0.
0.
0. Okay. Yes, already the same thing we have seen previously without numericals. Here just with numericals.
ये वाला आसान था सर.
So what you'll do in the question, it is given like this. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन ऐसे दिया होगा, तो और एक फिगर ड्रॉ करोगे जिसमें डायोड को ओपन सर्किट हिसाब से दिखा दोगे. That means you are showing that diode is not conducting. Okay, डायोड को ये ओपन सर्किट कर दिया. Okay, no diode is connected, or that means you are assuming diode is open circuited. If it is open circuited, IR is 0, or no current is flowing in this branch. Okay, so if no current is flowing, then you can say, okay, otherwise instead of going through this, I will do it. It is asking you to find out the Vd. Okay, so to find out Vd, put a loop 8 minus Vd minus IR into 2.2 kilo ohm equal to 0. But IR is 0, put 0 here, implies your Vd equal to 8. Okay, and IR को तो ऑलरेडी 0 हम ले लिए क्योंकि ये ओपन सर्किट हो गया, डायोड कंडक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, so that's why your IR is 0 and VR will be also 0. Why VR will be 0? Because you can say VR equal to IR into
IR
R,
0 है
or
सर.
equal to 0 into R equal to 0, or you can also say like this, VR equal to E minus Vd, or equal to 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. All of you clear? All of you are clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another question, just the same question with E value has changed. E का value है 0.5 volt. Now it is asking you to find out the same thing, Vd, VR, ID.
सर VD तो 0.7 ही होगा ना.
तुम देखो.
हाँ होगा सर, सिलिकॉन के लिए इसमें.
What I told you, if the silicon diode is forward biased and if it is conducting, then only the voltage drop across the diode is equal to 0.7 or its threshold
0.7.
voltage. Okay, अगर वो conduct कर रहा है, अभी कितना है कि हम इसको forward bias में डाले हैं, लेकिन कितना 0.5 वोल्ट डाले हैं. ओके, 0.5 वोल्ट डाले हैं, मतलब क्या है, डायोड कंडक्ट कर रहा है कि ऑफ है?
नहीं करे.
No,
Okay.
sir, no.
ओके, मतलब you can assume it's open circuit.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes.
अगर ये डायोड ओपन सर्किट
Yes.
है, तो मतलब क्या है, करंट कितना है? This current is equal to 0.
Current 0.
Okay, so if current is 0, if this ID equal to 0, so you got I first of all you explain that since the applied voltage is 0.5 volt, the diode is in the diode is in not conducting, नॉट रिवर्स बायस नहीं लिखोगे, ये मतलब क्या फॉरवर्ड बायस हिसाब से रखे हो, लेकिन जो वोल्टेज जितना चाहिए उतना नहीं मिल रहा है, इसको 0.7 नहीं हो रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई द डायोड इज नॉट कंडक्टिंग, सो इट इज ओपन सर्किटेड. So if it is open circuited, ID equal to 0, and if ID equal to 0, your VR is also equal to 0. Okay, so now you can write a loop equation here. Simply it is visible, but to explain, I am writing E minus VT minus VR equal to 0. Okay, or E minus VT इक्वल टू माइनस 0, VR तो 0 है ना, इक्वल टू 0, और E के जगह कितना डाल दो 0.5 माइनस VT इक्वल टू 0 और VT इक्वल टू 0.5.
VD 0.7 क्यों नहीं होगा, एक बार बता दीजिए.
वही बताया ना, और एक बार बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है.
हाँ.
फर्स्ट देखो, ये फॉरवर्ड बायस में रखे हो, पॉजिटिव को पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव को नेगेटिव लगाए हो, ठीक है. मतलब आइडियली करंट इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये जो अप्लाइड वोल्टेज 0.5 इज नॉट सफिशिएंट टू स्विच ऑन दिस सिलिकॉन डायोड. ओके, सो इफ इट इज नॉट स्विचिंग ऑन दिस सिलिकॉन डायोड, देन it will be off or it is open circuited, or if this diode is open circuited, okay, then ID is equal to 0. Okay, ID equal to 0 मतलब क्या हुआ कि VR is also equal to 0. Okay,
सर.
बोलो.
सर अगर E का वैल्यू 0.7 देते
हाँ
तब क्या होता?
हाँ, if it is 0.7, then only what will happen, that ID this voltage across this VD will also be 0. Okay, वो देखेंगे. Okay, पहले अभी बताओ कि पॉइंट, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया कि नहीं?
जी सर.
हो गया.
हाँ सर हो गया.
हाँ सर, ये हो गया सर.
सर इसमें डाउट है सर, वो जो बोला ना
बोलो.
0.7 अगर VD होता, ये E का वैल्यू
वो मैं कर रहा हूँ. ओके, 0.7 में कर रहा हूँ. अभी देखो 0.5, ये जो क्वेश्चन है 0.5, ये हो गया कि नहीं?
हाँ सर.
हो गया. ओके, सेकंड उसको क्लियर करके, सपोज मान लो ये 0.7 है, ठीक है. तो इन दिस केस what will happen, the diode is conducting, that is it is connected. Okay, so what I'll do, that VD equal to VD will be equal to 0.7. Okay, so VD will be equal to 0.7, and at that time VR will be equal to E minus VT, or that is equal to 0.7 minus 0.7. Okay, or that is equal to 0. Okay, and at that time I, as per your notation, that is I is coming as also 0. ID is equal to 0. Okay, देखो exactly in this case what will happen, this VD will not be exactly 0.7, it will be slightly less than 0.7, and the rest thing will be applied across this resistor, because though we are assuming that when the voltage will be 0.7, it should be switched on, but practical if you think, then पूरा 0.7 होने से वो जस्ट स्विच ऑन होगा, लेकिन उसमें से करंट सडनली इंक्रीज नहीं हो सकता है. अगर ये एक आइडियल डायोड हो जाएगा, उस टाइम पे क्या होगा कि 0.7 डाला तो सडनली करंट इनफाइनाइट हो गया. ओके, तो ऐसे तो एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है ना, तो 0.7 चाहिए, तो उसमें से थोड़ा सा अगर 0.71 वोल्ट डाला, 0.75 वोल्टेज डाला, तो क्या होगा उस टाइम पे, तो रेस्ट 0.5 वोल्ट will be applicable across the VR, and that will leading to the flow of current. Okay, so in this question what will happen, ID will be equal to 0 and VR will be equal to 0. Okay, so you may say that you are applying 0.7 volt and the diode should be switched on at 0.7, but why no current is flowing, ID is coming as 0? So that may be your question. Okay, the answer is what, that silicon diode require 0.7. Okay, and we have applied 0.7. So this is just whatever requirement that much we have given. So nothing extra we have given. So how come the current will flow? So if something, let us say 0.75 we have given, then the current will be started to flow. Okay.
सर वो सिलिकॉन का केस में वो 0.7 मिनिमम वैल्यू होता है ना,
हाँ, minimum.
इसीलिए सर.
Okay. So understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that thing is written for पहले क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी हम देख चुके हैं. तो ID is 0, PR is 0 and VD is equal to E equal to 0.5. ये ग्राफ में भी देख सकते हो, मतलब this is the characteristic of the simplified DAD and we are applying this VD at 0.5. So obviously ID is equal to 0. Okay, so if ID is equal to 0, then VR is equal to 0 and all the voltages or voltage across this diode is equal to the applied voltage 0.5.
सर
हम्म,
अगर वो सिलिकॉन डायोड के बगल में और एक जर्मेनियम का डायोड लगा दे हम.
हाँ हम जाएंगे, धीरे धीरे जाएंगे.
अच्छा,
ठीक है,
ठीक ठीक.
ये मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, determine the V0 and ID for the series circuit. Okay, what I told you, that I have told you that if it is a silicon diode and if it is conducting, it is a forward bias and it is conducting, then you put a drop of 0.7 across it. And similarly, if it is a germanium diode, you can replace that you can replace that diode with its equivalent voltage, that's 0.3. So you are given this figure as a question. Okay, so you have to do another circuit, equivalent circuit. Okay, so this is sometimes it is written like this. I mean, it's a node with plus 12 volt. Okay, plus 12 volt मतलब क्या है? This point is 12 volt more with respect to ground. Okay, so that can be just rerun like this. Okay, so this rounded portion. Okay, so this thing indicating that this point is 12 volt greater than your ground. Yes or no? Yes or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we normally convert this figure in this manner so that our calculation, it will be looking good. I mean, it will be easy for calculation. Okay, so in questions normally this type of things may be given, but you have to convert to this type of thing so that your calculation will never be wrong. Now, since it is plus 12 volt and these two of these diodes are connected, they are in forward bias. So obviously we are observing that this both of the diode will conduct because both of them are in forward bias manner. Okay, so if it is conducting, then the silicon diode will consume 0.7 and this germanium diode will consume 0.3 volt. So they are replaced by its equivalent voltage drop or equivalent threshold voltage 0.7, 0.7, and for this germanium it is 0.3. Okay, VT1 and VT2 or the threshold voltage of the silicon diode and the threshold voltage of the germanium diode. Got this figure? Understood? Next, other part is same. This resistor 5.6 and IR is flowing across this 5.6K resistor and the voltage V0 or the output voltage across this resistor we will calculate. Now once you get this simplified circuit, you can, I think easily you can calculate the parameters V0 and ID.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how much will be V0?
V0 तो देख ही नहीं रहा.
11.
V0 is 11. Simply just
12 minus 1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
imagine like you have some batteries are connected and one battery is connected in the opposite way, so it will be decrease. Okay, or in loop put a loop equation and also you can, okay, tell me, is it a closed loop or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Why
Oh,
no?
yeah, potential. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes. So always remember like this, if this is ground and this is also ground, that means it is connected. So this is one closed loop. So I'll put this loop equation.
बट हम लोग कंसीडर कर रहे हैं ना कि ये 12 वोल्ट है तो वो ग्राउंड से कनेक्टेड है, ये नीचे फिगर बनाकर, बट इन केस ऑफ कि ऊपर में जो हम लोग वो फिगर लिए वो क्लोज लूप नहीं है ना सर?
नहीं नहीं, वो भी क्लोज लूप है। मतलब क्या है, ये बोल रहा है कि दिस इज 12 विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड। मतलब क्या है, ये ग्राउंड है, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में ये 12 ज्यादा है। मतलब क्या है, ये बोल रहा है कि इधर एक बैटरी लगा है ऐसे, ओके, जिसका वैल्यू 12 है।
वो हिडन होता है, यस।
ओके, तो ये हिडन होता है। मतलब ये बोल दिया कि ये 12, दिस इज ओनली +12 लिखा है। मतलब क्या है, दिस इज देयर इज अ बैटरी ऑफ 12 वोल्ट whose positive terminal is connected here and negative terminal is connected to ground.
नेगेटिव वाला 0 होगा, पॉजिटिव, यस।
हाँ, नेगेटिव वाला ग्राउंड को 0 को कनेक्ट हुआ है। ओके, मतलब दिस इज आल्सो ए क्लोज लूप सिस्टम, राइट? सो put a loop equation here, 12 minus 0.7 minus 0.3 minus V0 equal to 0 implies V0 equal to 11 volt. Okay, so once you got V0, your ID will be equal to, let us say IR, the current across that resistor, IR equal to V0 by 5.6 kilo. Okay, so 11 by 5.6 kilo. Okay, you calculate whatever may be, and IR is nothing but equal to ID. This current, this is ID, और डायोड के अक्रॉस में जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा था उसको ID बोल रहे थे। Okay, रजिस्टर के अक्रॉस में जो करंट फ्लो हो रहा है IR बोल रहे हैं। So this is one branch, no any different branch is there. So ID equal to IR. IR, तो उसका वैल्यू कैलकुलेट किया होगा, so that is your ID
1.9.
1.9. Okay.
96.
सर यहाँ पे क्रिचॉफ लॉ भी लगा सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, अरे किर्चॉफ्स लॉ, ये तो कुछ ब्रांच ही नहीं, मतलब इधर कुछ ब्रांचिंग, इधर कुछ ब्रांचिंग वगैरह नहीं है। अगर मान लो कि इधर एक ब्रांच होता है, सपोज इसमें I2 जा रहा है, ओके, तो उस टाइम पे ये ID है, ये IR है। ओके, उस टाइम पे तुम बोलते क्या कि ID इक्वल टू I2 प्लस IR।
IR,
ये नोड को अगर देखते हैं तो एंटरिंग इज ID इक्वल टू I2 प्लस IR वो करते, ठीक है। लेकिन ये तो हमारा एक ही ब्रांच है, एक ही लूप है। ओके, तो फर्स्ट E इक्वल टू 12 वोल्ट गिवन, 12 वोल्ट इज ग्रेटर देन, दोनों का थ्रेशोल्ड वोल्टेज मिला है। हाँ, ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है। ओके, तो इधर है 0.7, ये है 0.3, तो दोनों मिल के कितना हो रहा है, 1 वोल्ट चाहिए दोनों को ऑन करने के लिए, क्योंकि दोनों ऑन होगा तभी तो जाके करंट फ्लो करेगा ना। एक ऑन होगा दूसरा ऑफ रहेगा तब भी करंट नहीं फ्लो करेगा। ओके, तो सिंस दिस 12 वोल्ट इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू summation of these two threshold voltage 0.7 plus 0.3. Okay, 12 is greater than 1 volt, so that's why it will conduct. So if it is conducting, that means you can replace this diodes with its equivalent threshold voltage. Okay, तो डायोड दोनों को हम ये 0.7 में, इसको हम 0.3 में रिप्लेस करते हैं। ओके, तो रिप्लेस करने के बाद तो कैलकुलेशन हमारा हो गया। ओके,
सर अगर E का वैल्यू 0.8 होता तो फिर तो ये नहीं
वो
करते।
वो देखेंगे, ठीक है। तो करंट विल फ्लो, उसके बाद कैलकुलेशन तो ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। राइट, ओके, तो इससे क्वेश्चन नहीं। अच्छा, यस, सपोज मान लो दिस इज 0.8, नाउ यू से if this is given as 0.8 volt, then what will happen?
नहीं होगा सर फ्लो।
पहला वाला ऑपरेट होगा ना सर?
नहीं, हाँ पहला वाला होगा लेकिन उसके बाद नहीं होगा।
Second will stop the
Okay.
flow of current.
Okay, we'll see that thing. Just suppose it is 0.8. Okay, so 0.8, see, this is one loop. ओके, करंट को फ्लो करने के लिए यहाँ से आके पूरा अगर पाथ कंप्लीट होगा तभी जाके करंट फ्लो करेगा ना. सपोज मान लो दिस इज ऑन एंड दिस इज ऑफ, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, वेदर करंट विल फ्लो. पूरा
No, sir.
पूरा पाथ फ्लो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तो करंट नहीं फ्लो करेगा. ओके, so since 0.8 is not greater than 1, 0.8 is not greater than 0.7 plus 0.3. So what will happen? It will be off. Okay, no current will flow. Okay, so if no current will flow, then IR is 0 and V0 is also equal to 0. Okay. So now the voltage VR is 0. VR is 0. Okay.
सर तो सिलिकॉन रजिस्टर डायोड से तो कुछ करंट पास होगा ना?
Wait, that I'm telling. That now how much voltage will be there across the silicon and how much voltage will be there across the germanium. That we'll see. Okay. So it is implies it is off state. So no current, or let's say ID IR equal to 0 implies VR equal to 0. Till this point is clear. Now how much will be the voltage across the silicon and how much will be the voltage across the germanium, that we want to see. Okay, so we had applied 0.8. So if we have applied 0.8, silicon will be switched on. Why? Because this 0.8 is sufficient to switch on the first diode, silicon diode. Okay, so you can replace it. It means you can assume 0.7 वोल्ट ड्रॉप इधर हो रहा है. ओके, तो 0.7 वोल्ट ड्रॉप होने के बाद अप्लाई हुआ था 0.8 और सिलिकॉन के अक्रॉस में ड्रॉप हो गया 0.7. तो इधर कितना बचा? दिस वोल्टेज इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच?
0.1.
0.1. But this 0.1 is not sufficient to switch on this germanium diode, so that's why it is off. Okay,
Oh,
so that's why you can say the VD across, let us say, silicon equal to 0.7, VD across germanium equal to 0.1. So since that is 0.1, so that's why germanium is in off state. Okay, so since germanium is in off state, so the complete path is not completed, so that's why ID is 0. ID is 0 or IR is 0 implies VR is 0. Understood?
सर एक डाउट है कि अगर 0.8 ना लेकर 0.9 लेते हैं तो फिर तो सफिशिएंट है, लेकिन वो 1 से छोटा है.
नहीं, जर्मनियम के लिए 0.3 चाहिए. ठीक है,
0. हाँ,
0.3.
ओके
ओके,
सर.
तो दोनों को मिलके जब अगर 1 वोल्ट लोगे तब ये दोनों स्विच ऑन हो जाएगा, 1 या एनीथिंग मोर देन 1. ठीक है
यस सर, थैंक यू सर.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. अगर
टाइम हो गया सर, टाइम हो गया सर, भूख लग रहा है.
टाइम हो गया, कहाँ मुश्किल
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके, just this question you note down as a okay I'll wait I'll stop. Just take it as an assignment and try to solve it. We'll solve this question in the next class. But see, if one of the silicon diode is in the opposite way, then what will happen? You try to find out. Okay.
सर.
सर ओके सर.
All of you mute yourself.